naturally. If we think in English and it comes automatically English on my tongue, it is speaking naturally English. So what should we do for that? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे और आपको इंग्लिश सीखने को मिलती रहे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम सीखने जा रहे हैं कि हम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग नेचुरली कैसे बोल सकते हैं। तो नेचुरली बोलने के लिए हमें थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश में ही थिंकिंग करनी होगी। इंग्लिश में थिंकिंग करते हैं, दैट इज स्पीकिंग नेचुरली। इट कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन आवर टंग, इट इज स्पीकिंग नेचुरली। सो व्हाट शुड वी डू फॉर दैट? बाय दैट वी कैन स्पीक naturally English. So first you should listen. You should listen regularly. You have to do practice regularly. You know that practice makes perfect. If you do not practice regularly, it will not come on your tongue automatically English. So if you want to speak naturally English, you have to do practice on regular basis. So what should you do? You should watch any movies, any cartoons. First you should watch simple. You have to not watch tough. If you watch tough, you will not understand, you will not take interest in that. So you should watch first simple. In that you will take interest and you will understand as well. If you watch tough, you will not understand, then you will not take interest in that. So what should you do? You should watch and you should listen more and more. By that, you have to imitate and you have to observe. You have to observe everything. What is this? What is this? You have to observe everything. By observing, we learn, because in childhood we learn Hindi by observing, by copying to our parents, we learned that. So English is also like that. If we watch any people that who are also speaking English and those are also speak like native language like you want to learn, you can, second part is that you can make conversation with them, you can talk with them, you can talk on phone, you can talk on what you like. You can call video call, you can make conversation with that. You have to imitate that. Imitate and then copy them. You have to. By that you will, if you listen more and more English, you will think in English. If you think in English, it will automatically come on your tongue and you will think in English. And it will be happen that you can be a fluent in English speaking. If you speak in English regularly basis, you have to practice regularly. And what can you do next? You can make conversation with people. You can take any topic. You can discuss on that topic, and you can. And if you are alone, you are beginner, no one is with you for practicing, what can you do? You can talk with yourself. You can make simple sentences. You can use mirror and you can stand in front of mirror. You can talk with yourself and you can see yourself that I am speaking wrong or right. What could you do? Can you do this? Yes, you can. I also do like this. I am also beginner. I am also learner like you. I am not fluent. I am not saying that I am a fluent. I am a teacher. Not. I am also learning like you because I like this language. I won't learn because no one is at my home for practicing. So I practice here. I get some new ideas and I share those ideas. By that, my practice improved day by day. I think 1 month completed. Now I can speak somehow, but before I was not like that. This time I can speak before that now. So what should you do? You should also do like me, practice. You can watch my videos. By that you will get some ideas, some thoughts you will get. What should you do? If you think in English, you will speak fluently one day. It should be not like that. First you translate Hindi to English. That it takes lots of time and it wastes your time and it make mistake as well. If you think first Hindi, you convert in English. So it takes, you have to think, you have to make habit that you have to think in English as well. Then it can happen. Because we have to imitate that other people, you have to imitate your native speaker, you have to make conversation with them. Then so you can, by that you can speak naturally. You have to imitate them, you have to observe them. By observing, by watching, you can make naturally speaking English. If you practice regularly, you have to not practice like that. You are doing 1 day, 2 days, and you have left it 3 days, 4 days. This is not good. By that you cannot speak English naturally. So you have to do practice regularly. If you like my videos, please like and share and comment and ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब